Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As today, my topic is about the respiratory system. About the respiratory system, as I have already gave you the online class regarding respiration, and today I will discuss with you what are the organs, or what is the mechanism, through which this respiration takes place. Okay, students, there is a proper mechanism for respiration. Okay, students, first of all, before discussing what is respiratory system, we will discuss first of all what is breathing, because breathing is the main part behind respiration. Okay, students, breathing simply means exhale and inhale of air. Somewhere there is a misconception regarding respiration and breathing. Respiration and breathing are interrelated, but these are not the same terms. Respiration and breathing are interrelated, but these are not the same terms for the same process. Okay, breathing is something else, and respiration is the whole mechanism. Breathing is a part of the respiration. Breathing means exhale and inhale of air. So, before discussing respiratory system, main part of the respiratory system is breathing. Okay, students, what is breathing? Exhale and inhale of air. Are you getting it? Okay, students, let me discuss. Breathing starts, there is a proper mechanism and there is a proper organ system. First, the breathing starts from our nostrils. Where from this breathing starts? It starts from nostrils. Two pairs of nostrils are there, through which we inhale air. Okay, students, that means nostrils are two pairs. First part of the breathing starts with nostrils, and first part of the respiratory system is nostrils, through which breathing takes place. Breathing means here nostrils, inhale air. After that, this air reaches to our nasal cavity. What is nasal cavity? Okay, students, after entering through the nostrils, the air reaches to our nasal cavity. What is nasal cavity? Students, nasal cavity is the space inside your nose. The space inside nose is called nasal cavity. Okay, students, what is as you understand now fully that respiration starts with breathing. Breathing means exhale and inhale of air, and breathing starts first of through air enters through our nostrils, then air reaches to our nasal cavity. What is nasal cavity? Space. What is nasal cavity? Space inside nose. After nasal cavity, the air enters into lungs. The air enters into the lungs, but this air from nasal cavity to lungs, there is a pipe. There is a pipe shaped organ that is called a windpipe. What is that called? Windpipe. First, when the air enters into the nasal cavity, after that air enters into the windpipe. Through windpipe, it reaches to our lungs. I will draw a structure. I will show you a structure here, simple structure. You see carefully. Okay, students? See it carefully. Here I cannot draw properly, but somehow I will try my best. Okay, students? Do you see it properly? Somehow I will try to explain it. Okay, students, this is our nose, and here are nostrils, which I have already discussed. When air enters in, this is the nasal cavity. Here is the nasal nose. Inside is a cavity, is a space inside your nose, and that is called a nasal. After that, when air enters into nasal cavity, it reaches into the wind pipe. This is windpipe. Okay, after windpipe, it reaches into the lungs. Lungs are present in the chest cavity. These two lungs are present into the chest cavity. What is this? Chest cavity. There are two lungs in our body. This is right side and this is left side. Okay, student, these are lungs. These are two lungs, which you can see. Diagram already is shown in your textbook. These are two lungs. Okay, so when air enters into the windpipe, then it directly enters into the lungs. Okay, students, where is lung present? Lung is present in the chest cavity, and these two lungs are protected. These are protected because these are delicate. These are both are muscular. These two are protected by ribs. Rib bones. Okay, students, these are protected by ribs. This is the simple structure. Here I show you the nasal cavity, windpipe, and lungs. Okay, students, and this lungs is, I will show you through a diagram, a floor of chest cavity. Chest on which these lungs are situated. There is a muscular floor chest cavity on which these two lungs are situated. That is called a diaphragm. What is that called? Diaphragm. Okay, students, these are the organs which are involved in our respiration. What are these? Nasal cavity, windpipe, nostrils, and lungs. Okay, students, then after that, when the air reaches, when we inhale air, where does this air goes? This when we inhale air, it reaches into our lungs. Okay, students, this is the main things which are involved in our respiratory system. Then after, in next class, I will discuss you how this air enters in our body and how we release carbon dioxide from our body. Okay, students, and how this air reaches into our blood. I will discuss it in our another class. Today I have only discussed what is respiratory system. This system is called a respiratory system, and what are the organs which are involved in it? Is a nasal cavity, it is nostrils, it is windpipe, and it is lungs. And these lungs are present in the chest cavity and are protected by ribs, and on the lungs are situated on the floor or chest cavity, floor of the chest cavity, that is called a diaphragm. Okay, and in next class I will discuss how the lungs, how this process of inhalation takes place, and how this air reaches to our blood or to our every part of body. Okay, students.